Welcome. I have been having a serious electricity problem. That's why I've not continued since. And going outside to buy fuel has been a problem. This general lockdown. So let's continue. In the previous lessons, we checked out downloading WordPress. I told us how to download WordPress. If you've not, please you can check out the previous video. We downloaded WordPress. We also downloaded and installed XAMPP. We say that XAMPP is the Apache server that we're going to be using. So quickly click on your search button and click on the XAMPP control panel so that you have the control panel up like this. Click on start on the Apache server and the mysql so that you start the two of them. Make sure that both of them are started before you start so that you can do the right things. Now, having started these two, knowing that they are up, now go to downloads where you downloaded your WordPress. This is my WordPress, so I right click and say copy. So copy this very unzipped WordPress, copy it. So once you copy it, go to your local C drive. This is my C drive. This is the local C drive. Then you will see your inside your local C, that's your hard drive, you see XAMPP. So double click on XAMPP to open it. Once you double click on XAMPP and open it, you will see htdocs. This is it here, htdocs. Double click on htdocs to open it, then paste that WordPress. You can see my own WordPress here. I've pasted it here, so I right click and say paste. So once you paste, it will come in here. This is my WordPress. So what I now do is that I will unzip this very WordPress by right clicking and going to the, if you are using WinRAR or any unzipping software, use it to extract it or unzip. So I'm using 7-zip. So I'm going to click on this extract to this. So once you click it to unzip. So once you unzip, that verify that you unzipped, right click on it and rename it to the name of the website. So once you click on rename, you rename it. So I named my own NDCP. So this is what you're going to install once you're done. So having started my Apache server and my MySQL server, then I can now go to my browser. I can now type in localhost and press the enter key. So once the server is running and I type localhost, then I'll be led to this very localhost. So click on this phpMyAdmin so that you can create the database. Database is the first thing you do if you want to install your WordPress. So you have to create a database, and to create a database you simply click on this phpMyAdmin. So once you've started your server in the XAMPP control panel, you can come in on your browser, type localhost. Once you type localhost, you will see this very page. So click on this phpMyAdmin so that you can create the database for this very website. WordPress is a very good content management system that can really help you do very fast, create website very fast. So I'm going to refresh this so that it will open very well. So this is phpMyAdmin and this is where we're going to create the website. So wait for it a little bit to come up. So remember what I told you. You download your WordPress, go to your downloads so that you find out where the WordPress is. Copy it, go to your local C, and paste it inside the htdocs, inside the XAMPP folder. So this is my WordPress and I copied. Then I went to my local C and inside XAMPP and inside htdocs. I pasted it here. Then after pasting it, I right clicked and I extracted it. After extracting the extracted folder, that's what I renamed, and I renamed it to NDCP. So this is my extracted WordPress. So do the same for yourself. So this is the phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to create a website here. To create it, I'm going to create a database here. To create a database, simply click on this database. You can see it up here. Click on that database. Once it's open, then write the database name. The database name is always the website name. So this is where I'm going to create the database name. I'm simply going to call it National Disease Control Portal, NDCP, and I'll click on create. So that's the only thing you need to do. Once you do it, you can see it here. NDCP is already created. So the next thing will be to install the WordPress. And to install the WordPress, simply write the name of the website after localhost. So simply say localhost slash the name of the website, which is National Disease Control Portal, NDCP, and press the enter key so that you can start the installation. So you can see it led you to this place. So click on this WordPress here, and you can simply start the installation immediately. So once you click on that WordPress, you can run down the installation. Take note of the name of the database that you have. The database name is NCDP, or National Disease Control Portal, NDCP. So that is how you go about the installation. So in the subsequent video, we are going to follow through this installation, but we created the website and done created the database and done the needful. So follow through this installation. Thank you, and God bless you.